Hey, all right, we're back here. We got another project today. We're working on the old 2019 Ram 1500 right here. The Bighorn. And if you can see this big box, that only means one thing. Side steps. I got a nice set of brand new Dodge from OEM side steps right here. Picked them up yesterday at the dealership. They're pricey, like $630 something. We're gonna throw them on. They look pretty nice. I wanted her to get all black, but she got these stainless steel ones instead. Comes with instructions. Comes with hardware. So we're good there. Looks like 12 millimeter, maybe. You guys, you can see here in the video, in the instructions, we supposedly have studs on the inner frame here. So, let me get a light. Let's crawl underneath there. Let's take a look. And this may be, I'm not going to use the word easy. That'll jinx me. Let's see. Let's hope this thing will go smoothly. We'll put it that way. So, yeah, I'll be right back. Let me get a light underneath here and we'll go take a look. Bye-bye. All right, I just threw the light underneath there. And to be honest with you, I haven't been underneath here yet, so we have to find all these attachment points, I suppose. Oh. So let's see what we can dig up over here. There we go. You know what? Let's see if we can do the other side. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Let me get a light over here. Yeah, we're good. We're actually in good shape. They're not all rusty or anything. Let's go over here. Sorry about the shakiness. Oh, we got some right here. Another three, and we have three more over here. Let's see if you can see them. All right, so this looks like it's going to be pretty straightforward. Yeah. I just have to put a jack on one side, and I can lift up the other side. We can slide them right in these, and we'll go from there. Seeing how I don't have anyone to video, let's take a look at these. Here they go. Yep. Yeah, these were marked too. So this is the right side, or I should say the left side. This is the driver's side right here. You can tell by the small area right here. I'm going to have to wrestle with the holes here. See which ones do what. And yeah. Got one over there too. So yeah, let's give this a go and see how she goes. I'll be back. All right, that was, I'm going to use the word easy. Went right on. Let's see. These nuts were 1/2 inch. You need a deep socket. That's a little bit more deeper than what, I should say, for those that don't know, longer socket than you need. But you need a long socket. I was able to use the impact gun on, I guess, 1, 2, 3, got 5 of the 6 bolts. You definitely need a swivel. And here, let's take a look. Yeah, they look nice. Not bad at all. So let's crawl underneath here. Let's take a look. Let's see, let me angle the phone. Oops. There we go. Let's get a light over here. And there we go. All 3 of these I was able to do with the impact gun and a swivel. Then if we come over here, let's see. These 3 went on no problem. This one I had to use a ratchet for this top one up here. These 2 went on with the impact gun. no problem. 1, 2, 3. It's a half-inch drive. A half-inch socket. Yeah, bolted on, nice and sturdy. Pretty darn good. So let me get the other side on, and I'll back it out of the garage. We'll take a look at it. I'll be back. Here you go. See if we get some action shots here. There's that one. Let's see if we can get this one on here. Oh, come on, get in there. There we go. Oh, oh man. There we go. Do on this one. Put this on here. There we go. Here we are. Let's see. There's that one. Let's see. See if I can do it like this. Alright, that one's all done. There we go. Alright, let's get the one I gotta do my ratchet on the other side. Alright, here we go. I got it back on. Yeah, it's easy as this. 1, 2, 3. Now, if your studs are all rusted up, probably run a dye over them. Clean them up. This wing's pretty new underneath here, so we didn't have any issues. Alright, almost there. Alright, so there we go. That's over there. And this one over here. And that's all it takes to hook this thing up. So we'll back it out now and see what she looks like. So hold on. Alright guys, we got them all on. Actually looks pretty good. Now, we went over to our local dealership here in Norwalk, Connecticut, Garavell Jeep Chrysler. Guess how much they wanted to install these? And you saw what it took. It took 10 minutes aside, if that, not even. It's a 20-minute job at most. What do you guys think they wanted for this? $380 to install these side steps. You believe it? $380 on top of the $600 and something for the actual steps themselves. So anyone doing this, you could do it yourself. Literally. All you need is a half-inch deep socket, you know, and a ratchet, and you're good to go. But yeah, it looks pretty good. Let's go look at the other side. Yeah, we're giving the old SHO a good cleaning. Smelled like mildew in there. Yeah, so here's the other side. Yeah, it was a 1, 2, 3 install. So we're going to leave it at that for now. And yeah, that's the end of this video. Remember, you can do it yourself. See you guys later. Bye-bye.